Have you ever planted flowers in containers, watched them bloom beautifully for a few weeks, and then suddenly lose all their energy? The flowers fade, growth slows down, and by the middle of summer, the pots already start looking empty and tired. But some plants behave completely differently. Imagine containers that stay colorful for months, overflowing with flowers, attracting pollinators, and continuing to bloom through heat, sun, and occasional neglect without needing constant replacement. That's not luck, it's about choosing the right plants. In this video, we're looking at 10 container flowers that bloom non-stop all summer with surprisingly little maintenance. These are dependable plants that keep producing color long after many others stop. And some of the strongest bloomers are also some of the easiest plants to grow. Petunias are one of the most dependable container flowers you can grow, and there's a reason gardeners return to them year after year. At first, people are usually drawn to their bright colors. But after growing them for a season, they realize petunias offer much more than appearance alone. They're fast-growing, forgiving, and capable of producing flowers almost non-stop. Once established in a container, petunias begin spreading quickly, filling empty space and flowing naturally over the sides of pots and hanging baskets. This trailing habit creates that lush, overflowing look people often associate with professionally designed containers, and the blooming never seems to stop. Unlike plants that flower in short bursts, petunias continuously produce new buds while older blooms fade away. The result is constant color throughout the season, instead of occasional waves of flowers. Modern varieties have become even easier to grow. Many are self-cleaning, meaning old blooms fall away naturally without requiring constant deadheading. That makes them perfect for gardeners who want maximum color with minimal effort. Petunias also tolerate summer heat extremely well. Even during the hottest part of the season, they continue blooming heavily as long as they receive enough sunlight. Full sun is where they perform best, and although they appreciate regular watering, they're more forgiving than many people expect. If they dry slightly during hot weather, they usually recover quickly once watered again. Another reason petunias are so popular is versatility. They work beautifully in hanging baskets, patio pots, window boxes, raised containers, and mixed arrangements. They can create dramatic overflowing displays on their own, or blend easily with other flowers and foliage plants. And as the season continues, petunias often become even fuller and more impressive. They don't simply survive in containers, they completely take them over with color. Geraniums, technically called pelargoniums, are one of the classic container plants that never seem to lose popularity. And once you grow them, it becomes obvious why. They combine structure, durability, and non-stop summer color in a way very few flowering plants can. Unlike trailing flowers such as petunias, geraniums grow in a more upright and organized shape. Their thick stems and rounded green leaves create a strong foundation, while clusters of flowers rise above the foliage and immediately stand out. This gives containers height and presence even with only one plant. The blooms themselves are bold and vibrant. Instead of scattered flowers, geraniums produce dense clusters packed with color. Bright red, deep pink, white, coral, and even two-toned varieties allow them to fit almost any style of garden or patio. But their greatest strength is resilience. Geraniums tolerate strong sunlight, summer heat, windy balconies, and occasional drought far better than many flowering plants. In fact, too much water is often more dangerous to them than forgetting to water occasionally. Their thick stems and slightly succulent nature allow them to store moisture efficiently, which helps them remain healthy during hot weather. That toughness makes them ideal for containers. Maintenance is also incredibly simple. While removing old flower heads can encourage even more blooming, geraniums naturally continue producing flowers steadily through the season without demanding constant care. Another reason gardeners love them is structure. In mixed containers, geraniums help anchor the arrangement visually. They create balance and shape while softer trailing plants spill around them. And when planted alone, they still look full, intentional, and elegant. They adapt well to small pots, large containers, balconies, patios, and sunny windowsills alike, making them equally useful for beginners and experienced gardeners. And as summer progresses, geraniums usually become larger, stronger, and even more colorful. They don't fade as the season goes on. They become the centerpiece of it. Calabrichoa. If you enjoy the colorful look of petunias but want something slightly more compact, refined, and easier to maintain, Calabrichoa, often known as million bells, is an incredible choice for containers. This plant has a way of making even simple pots look full, lush, and professionally arranged without requiring much effort. Once established, Calibrachoa quickly spreads outward and trails over the sides of containers, creating a soft, cascading effect. Instead of growing upright, it naturally flows downward, making it perfect for hanging baskets, railing planters, and elevated pots. And the amount of flowers it produces is almost unbelievable. Each individual bloom is small, but the plant creates so many flowers at once that the foliage often becomes nearly invisible beneath the color. Unlike plants that bloom in separate waves, Calibrachoa flowers continuously through the entire season. There's no long pause between blooming cycles. It simply keeps producing more and more flowers from early summer until the weather cools. One of the biggest reasons gardeners love Calibrachoa is how low maintenance it is. Older flowering plants often require constant deadheading to stay attractive, but Calibrachoa is self-cleaning. Faded blooms fall away naturally while fresh flowers immediately replace them. That means nonstop color without constant work. It also performs extremely well in full sun and tolerates summer heat with very little trouble. As long as the soil drains properly and the plant receives regular watering, it remains vigorous and healthy even during the hottest weeks of summer. Another advantage is versatility. Calibrachoa looks beautiful planted alone, where it creates soft, overflowing containers packed with color. But it also works perfectly in mixed arrangements as a trailing spiller plant that softens edges and connects different plants together naturally. And as the season continues, the plant only becomes fuller and more dramatic. Instead of fading over time, it grows into an even larger waterfall of flowers. For gardeners who want months of color without constant maintenance, Calibrachoa is one of the easiest and most rewarding choices available. Begonias are one of the best container flowers for shaded or partially shaded spaces where many other blooming plants struggle to thrive. If your balcony, patio, or garden doesn't receive intense sunlight all day, begonias are often the perfect solution. What makes them so valuable is their ability to bloom continuously, even in lower light conditions. While many flowers slow down or stop blooming in shade, begonias continue producing soft, elegant flowers steadily throughout the season. Their blooms appear in shades of pink, red, white, orange, and coral, bringing gentle color into darker spaces. But begonias offer more than flowers alone. Their foliage is often just as attractive as the blooms themselves. Many varieties produce glossy, textured leaves that add richness, depth, and visual interest, even when fewer flowers are open. This combination of colorful flowers and beautiful foliage helps containers look lush and complete for months. Begonias also grow in a very balanced way. Instead of becoming wild or messy, they usually form compact, rounded shapes that naturally fill containers evenly. That makes them perfect for gardeners who want pots that look full and polished without constant trimming. Another reason begonias are so dependable is adaptability. They tolerate humidity, changing temperatures, and fluctuating light conditions much better than many flowering plants. Whether they're growing on a shaded porch, under a covered patio, or in a darker garden corner, they usually remain healthy and consistent. And maintenance is simple. Begonias prefer moderate watering and soil that drains well, but they're not especially demanding. As long as they aren't overwatered and are protected from harsh afternoon sun, they continue growing and flowering steadily with very little attention. They also don't require constant pruning or complicated care routines. In containers, begonias create a softer and calmer look compared to brighter, sun-loving flowers. Instead of overwhelming spaces with intense color, they provide elegant, long-lasting beauty that feels balanced and relaxing. And that consistency is exactly what makes them so useful. While some flowers only look impressive under perfect conditions, begonias continue performing beautifully, even when the environment is less than ideal. Verbena is one of those flowering plants that seems to become stronger the hotter summer gets. While many container flowers begin fading or slowing down during extreme heat, verbena keeps blooming with impressive energy. That's one reason it's such a valuable choice for sunny patios, balconies, and containers exposed to intense summer temperatures. Its individual flowers are fairly small, but they appear in dense, colorful clusters that create a bold effect from a distance. Shades of purple, pink, red, and white combine into bright layers of color that keep containers looking lively for months. And unlike plants that bloom heavily once and then fade, verbena flowers continuously throughout the season. As long as it receives enough sunlight, it keeps producing fresh blooms even during the hottest part of summer. Another major advantage is toughness. Verbena is naturally suited for difficult conditions. Full sun, dry soil, heat, and occasional mist watering rarely stop it once established. In fact, mature plants become surprisingly drought-tolerant, making them much easier to maintain than many delicate flowering plants. That resilience makes a huge difference in containers, where soil dries out quickly during hot weather. Verbena also helps bring movement into the garden. Butterflies and bees are constantly drawn to the flowers, turning simple containers into active pollinator spaces full of life and energy. And depending on the variety, verbena can serve different design purposes. Some forms stay compact and upright, while others spread gently or trail over container edges, helping soften the overall look of the arrangement. That flexibility makes it useful both as a main flowering plant and as part of mixed container combinations. Maintenance is refreshingly simple too. A light trim occasionally can encourage even heavier blooming, but verbena usually continues performing well even without constant care. It's not a plant that demands attention every week. It simply keeps flowering through heat, sun, and difficult conditions with very little effort from the gardener. If you want containers that stay colorful and energetic through the toughest months of summer, verbena is one of the most reliable choices available. Lobelia brings a softer and more delicate feeling into container gardens. While some flowers dominate with bold color and dramatic shapes, lobelia creates a lighter, gentler atmosphere that helps balance stronger plants beautifully. Its tiny flowers bloom in enormous numbers, forming soft clouds of blue, purple, or white across the edges of containers. From a distance, the blooms almost look like a mist of color flowing over the pot. And that flowing effect is part of what makes lobelia so popular. It naturally trails over the sides of containers, hanging baskets, and window boxes, softening hard edges and making arrangements feel fuller and more relaxed. This trailing habit works especially well in mixed containers, where lobelia acts as the finishing layer that connects everything together. Older types of lobelia sometimes struggled during intense heat, but many modern varieties have been bred specifically for better summer performance. With enough moisture and some protection from harsh afternoon sun, they can continue blooming steadily through much of the season. And if flowering slows slightly during extreme weather, a quick trim often refreshes the plant and encourages another flush of blooms surprisingly fast. Lobelia is also incredibly useful visually. It fills small gaps naturally, adds softness around larger plants, and creates beautiful contrast beside upright flowers with stronger colors or heavier textures. Instead of competing for attention, it enhances the entire arrangement around it. Care is relatively simple. Lobelia prefers evenly moist soil and good drainage, along with partial sun or morning sunlight in hotter climates. Under the right conditions, it stays lush, fresh, and colorful for months. In container design, lobelia often acts like the final detail that completes everything. It softens shapes, adds movement, and creates a layered, overflowing look that makes containers feel more natural and balanced. It may not be the boldest flower in the garden, but very often it's the plant that makes the entire arrangement feel finished. Zinnias are one of the easiest flowers to grow if you want containers that look bright, colorful, and full of life all summer long. The moment they begin blooming, they instantly bring energy and bold color into a space. And they continue doing it for months without slowing down. Their flowers are large, vibrant, and impossible to ignore. Similar to daisies in shape, but much richer in color, zinnias bloom in shades of red, orange, yellow, pink, purple, and even striking multicolored patterns. They create containers that feel cheerful and alive. One of the biggest reasons gardeners love zinnias is how long they flower. Once blooming begins in early summer, the plant keeps producing fresh flowers continuously right up until frost arrives. That means months of nonstop color from a single planting. For containers, compact and dwarf varieties work especially well. They grow into dense, rounded shapes that fill pots beautifully without becoming too tall or unstable. This makes them ideal for patios, balconies, porches, and smaller outdoor spaces where you want maximum visual impact without overcrowding. And zinnias absolutely thrive in sunlight. The more sun they receive, the stronger and more productive they become. Even during extreme summer heat, zinnias continue blooming heavily while many other flowers begin struggling. Another major advantage is simplicity. Once established, zinnias are fairly drought-tolerant and usually prefer slightly drier conditions over constantly wet soil. That makes them easier to care for than many thirstier flowering plants. They're also naturally resilient and resistant to many common garden issues, which is why beginners often have great success growing them. Zinnias reward very little effort with huge amounts of color. If you want containers that stay bright, energetic, and full of flowers through the hottest months of summer, zinnias are one of the most dependable choices you can grow. Impatiens. If you think a shaded space can't be filled with nonstop flowers, impatiens will completely prove otherwise. These plants are perfectly adapted for shade and partial shade conditions where many other flowering plants struggle to survive. And instead of merely tolerating low light, impatiens truly thrive in it. Once planted in containers, they quickly begin producing huge numbers of blooms that often cover the foliage almost completely. The flowers are soft yet vibrant, appearing in shades of pink, red, white, coral, purple, and beautiful two-tone combinations that brighten darker areas effortlessly. What makes impatiens especially valuable is consistency. They continue blooming steadily all season long without demanding constant maintenance or perfect conditions. In containers, impatiens naturally grow into dense, rounded mounds that fill space evenly and create that lush, completely full pot appearance gardeners love. Even a single plant can make a container look rich and overflowing. Unlike sun-loving flowers, impatiens prefer evenly moist soil and appreciate regular watering, especially during warmer weather. But even if they droop slightly after drying out, they usually recover very quickly once watered again. Another major advantage is adaptability. Impatiens perform beautifully on shaded balconies, covered patios, porches, woodland gardens, and darker corners where sunlight is limited throughout the day. They bring color into spaces that many flowering plants simply can't handle. In mixed containers, impatiens work perfectly as filler plants, helping soften arrangements and maintain continuous blooms between larger flowers. And when planted on their own, they create thick, colorful displays with very little effort. Impatiens prove that full sun isn't necessary for a beautiful container garden. Even in shade, they keep spaces feeling bright, colorful, and alive from the beginning of summer until the season finally ends.